What's up, everybody? It's B-Man 1313, and today we're going to try to lift the trailer. So right now we've got 12.5 inches from the ground there. 12.5 inches from the ground there. And about 12.5, so it's pretty level right now in here. How I parked the Jeep, and I didn't mean to, but it did it. 12.5. Alright. So we're gonna do a little axle flip. And see what we end up with. Alright, stay tuned. So here's what I ordered, the Dexter replacement parts. It's an over-under kit. And it brings the 4 U-bolts, 2 plates. Then these 2 are probably the main thing that I needed. And then the hardware. So let's see what we get into here. Alright, step 1. Bolts are off on both sides. I'm going to leave the trailer hooked up. That way it keeps it from moving this way. And I'm going to jack it up. Alright. Tires are off. And the 4 bolts holding the U-bolts are off. Yeah, that's my sweat. And a little bit of WD-40. Yeah, I can imagine if this was an old trailer, those would be a beast, because obviously from running over some rocks and this and that, they were already, the bolts were kind of jacked up. So good thing it brings bolts with it. Alright, next thing we got to do is take off these 2 here, drop the springs, take it off, flip it around, or put it under, and that's that. So let's see. Alright, the axle is off, so now I can put it on the bottom. So on this side, I had to take both bolts from the back off and the whole thing came out. But over on the other side, the bottom one came off easy and came off. So done. Now for the next step. Alright, there we go. If you're watching this to do yours, which I hope you're not, there's some better ones out there, but just in case, make sure tighten both of those in the back. One thing I did, leave these silver ones loose on both sides. Get this tightened, make sure your bolt fell in right in here. This little bolt goes through. Make sure it fell into your new bracket. Tighten tight, and then you can take these and tighten them down, and same thing on the other side. Now the moment of truth. How many inches did we gain from it? There is no doubt, without even putting a tape measure on, that we gained some height, big time. We were at 12.5, 16. Oh, 1, 2, 3, about 3 inches. Wow, nice. Alright, so we gained. Now this one's a little bit different because the car is down. I need to go level out the car and see, but we picked up 3.5 inches of clearance, which will make a big difference when you're going over things off-road. Ah, yeah. Looks good, looks good. Alright, on to the next project.